Today I was going to review this Ultra 4K HD GPS dash cam from Campark. I'm actually using a Campark action camera to do this video. I've already got the camera installed, so I can show it right there, and it's on and running right now. And I was just going to do a quick test drive. I know there's a lot of videos already done with this camera, with unboxing and everything, and it comes with some nice cable management and other items that make it really pretty easy to install. The cable's pretty long. The GPS is over in the far corner of my windshield, and I'm just going out for a test drive here. And when I get back home, we'll download the video and see how it looks. Well, after watching the video from this dash cam, I'm very happy with it. It's a nice quality camera, solid build. It was really easy to install, easy to use. They give you nice clips, you can see right there, to be able to get your wires tucked away. Since I put this in a Jeep, I have no headliner to run underneath, so it's very nice. The GPS antenna is nice and out of the way, over there on the windshield. And they give you a nice plug right here to be able to plug your USB cable into, to be able to power the camera. So overall, very happy with it. I'd highly recommend this camera if you're looking for a good budget dash cam to be able to use. This is a good one to use.